Are you looking to light up your space on a budget? If you're anything like me, you don't have electrician experience, but still need to somehow install lighting. I live in a van and I didn't want to wire it. So putting up these self-stick Govee warm white LED strip lights were a game changer. These lights come out of the box on a self-stick roll. And you can see I've already installed them, so all that's left is the reel that it comes on rolled up, and the paper I've peeled off the adhesive. But how do I hide the cords? Govee's already thought of that by including clips and fasteners to hide the cords away from sight. Now I've got one roll installed in each side of the van. Let's turn off one side so you can see what the other one looks like. These Govee lights are even dimmable, so while this is the lowest setting, the brightest setting is easy enough to cook, read, or work by. What do you think, Sparrow? Do you like the lights?
Yeah, they're great.
Each reel comes with a switch on the end, which you can either use to power on or off the lights, or dim and brighten them. If you're not inclined to DIY project, don't worry, Govee's got you covered with directions in the box, as well as diagrams on how to use the little clips. Now let's get into how I set it up so you can do it for yourself. This is my van, all lit up after the lights have been installed. I slowly peeled away some of the paper for each part that I was working on as I was sticking it up, and I put these under my cabinet and along my walls. This gives it more of a recessed lighting look, illuminating the countertops. These strips are super adhesive. I haven't had a problem with anything coming down, and they've been up for weeks now. Even in the tightest of spots, they're flexible, so you can twist and turn them to fit in the area. I found that the strip was long enough to really cover a lot of space, so I even put some inside my clothing cabinets, so I'm covered if I'm looking for gear after dark. I chose to put the switches over my bed, so that if I need to get up in the middle of the night, I'm not going into it blind. They're small, thin cords, so they were easy to tuck away and hide out of spaces that they might get caught. Then I used the clips in places where I thought they might snag, and this is where I plugged them in. A power strip right under my bed. At 16.4 feet long, these strip lights covered every place I needed them to. Not only was I able to go completely around and underneath my cabinets, but also up and over them. And this is the end result. Not only are my cabinets illuminated inside, but underneath as well, plenty of light to read by. And with both light strips on at the same time, my van is fully illuminated. The light strip over the kitchen also has another switch near the bed, and the light strip on the other side connects behind this wall. By dimming both sides down, I get the perfect ambiance for a relaxing evening in the van. And now I won't be tripping over Sparrow in the dark.
Yay!
If you're looking for an affordable, energy-efficient way to take your van's lighting to the next level, or just add some flair to your space without breaking the bank, the Govee LED strip lights are a solid choice. If you want to grab these for yourself, I've got a link down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know what lighting you use in your space.